Yo, good morning from anywhere you're watching this video from. It's your boy again, Kilichukwu. Okay, right now I just quickly want to show my chart right now. I just quickly want to share a trade I called up from ASEAN section before the market, when the market opened. Yeah, right. Cause on Sunday I back tested. So right now I just want to be dropping content that is relating to my trades, right? No hype, nothing like overhyping or trying to beat around, just straight up about my trades, right? So I will just be sharing it and be dropping it right here so you guys could get to learn one or two things from it. Let's grow together, right? Because in a trader, before a trader grows, it depends on the mindset, not just the strategy alone. Strategy, I get to understand that even 20% or 10% is strategy. Almost 80% or 90% is just the mindset. Because without the right mindset, I don't think with that strategy you can reach your profitability as a trader. So with the right mindset, that's the reason why I'll be making all these videos and be making out my trades to be sharing it out here for you guys, right? So I'll quickly turn to my chart right now to show the trade I called off from. Though I didn't hold the trade till my trade profit level, but I'll tell you the reason why I hope out from the trade is a GBP JPY trade, right? I'll just show the reason why I hope out from the trade and what I did and the reason why I went out from that trade, right? What I saw before I entered and the reason why I hope out from the trade. So let me just quickly turn my camera so you could see how the trade went. So I'll just quickly, this is my download, right? Because I'll just show from the download how I caught the trade. You see, just check the time. You can see that this like today's date is 20th, right? 20th October 2025, and this 3 a.m. I woke up around to 4. That's still on ASEAN sections, right? So this was the download of the trade. I think this too, but let me just open this one. Here's the download of the trade when I called it up. When I you can see I wanted to sell GBP GPY, but at first the where I wanted price to get to, because when I woke up price was still around here. It has dropped. This particular candlestick, that is a shooting star candle, I don't know, those are price action traders, we understand this previous candle before that black candle is, remember, these white ones are bullish candle while these black ones are a bearish candle. So this white one, this previous one right here, you can see here, you can see right here, this one is a shooting star, right? So this shooting star candle was still ongoing, it has not yet closed then. So I was waiting, what I was waiting for, I don't just want to enter this trade because already price is creating what we call series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see how price is creating series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low right here, you can see. So when price got here, and this is a very strong zone, this particular level I drew here is a daily zone. So that's where price respected, right? So I was waiting for again, let price get at least test this zone before I enter. So what did I see? Actually, I was waiting for price because this is the most recent high over here, and this recent high is the 1 hour. So I contemplated and said, okay, if this pullback is to happen, where is the most recent zone it should go to? So that recent zone I'm waiting for you to get to back again is this daily zone, because price likely respects the higher time frames more than the lower time frames, because there are more noise, there are many noise on the lower time frames. So what I waited for price should, okay, let this price do something, because I can't just enter because I just see a shooting star, because I'm a price action trader, right? So even with that candlestick you are seeing, you have to observe other confluences. Other confluences are more like your strategy, other things you will see, the reason why you enter a trade, right? And before then, you have to calculate and know your stop loss and take profit, not just entering the trade just because you see something and you just want to make money. Before I consider any trade right now, what I first, where my mind is going first is, what am I risking on this particular trade, right? My mind is just at, what am I risking? The main thing here is to just protect your capital. If you are trading and if you are trading a prop firm and you are at your capital level, just try protect your capital at all cost. If price move like 20, 25 piece or 30, you can just readjust your stop loss, break even. It will assist you. At this point, this period, I'm not there is account I'm trading, so I have not just been sharing about the account. Or maybe if you really want me to be sharing about the account, you can just drop it on the comment section so I can consider it and think about that, so I can know how I'll be sharing about the trades I'm taking on that account, right? So my account has just been going up, coming down. If I enter a trade, I'll make profit. Maybe I'll first take a loss trade. The next trade I'll take will be the one that will cover the loss. It's just going like that, up, going down, up, going down. So I just have to back test on Sunday. I just have to know what's working. So this particular pair respects trend line a lot, because on the normal circumstance, you've seen that price is just creating series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So you'll be looking at and say at which point will this particular setup get to before it reverses to the upside again. So I get to see, okay, these are the trend lines. This is the most recent trend in the market, but the overall trend on this pair is a downtrend, right, from the higher time frames, right? So what did I look at for? I said, okay, even though I'm to take this trade, let this trade be like a more scalping trade, but already my risk is at a minimal level, or my normal risk, right? But I said, even though price didn't get to my trade profit level, I'll get to see if price will break this off or react at this point before I'll hope out from the trade. So come and see what happened right here. I'll just show the live trade, the live chart. So because this is the download, right? So you get to see it. So right over here is my Chrome browser. Just get to delete this, okay? Restore. Hope you are seeing it clearly. I hope it's so very clear, right? It's so very clear. So this is the 4 hours. You can see I've already deleted that because I didn't hold the trades in my take profit level. So I'm to looking out for in this trade again should be a retest again to drop, right? A retest again, but I'm already out from this trade. I went out at this level. I went out at when price has gotten to this level. That's the point where I hope out from this trade at this level. When price has dropped to this level and gets here, but as breaking it off right now, I'm still expecting a short. I'm still expecting price to drop more on this pair, right? Because price has already broken off these trend lines. Price has already broken off. So I'll just see if I can see the opportunity to re-enter on this trade and see how it will go. Nice. And see how it will go. Because I'm seeing something right now in the market. I'm seeing something. I'm already out on this trade. The only thing, anytime you're on a trade, you don't have to think in the trade. That's why she will tell us think before you trade, not just when you're on a trade. That's why the fear is what is making us not to keep our mindset or keep the winning consistent here. Because everything, if you check out anything, most times when you are in loss trade, you hold more of your losses more than your wins. Why? Because you are afraid to lose. Most times you can be disciplined on your trade just to detach from it, not to be more attached. Right now, so for me to consider any trade right now, it has to do a reasonable something right off from the higher time frame. That's the 1 hour or the 2 hours. Those are the zones where I look out for more to consider my trades, right? This is the 1 hour zone right now. You can see 1 hour, and you can see how this candle just went up straight up to that particular point and it's about to drop, right? It's just about to drop. But right now I can't just rush into this trade. I have to be patient, okay? But this pair is still dropping. I think GBP JPY will still drop. So it has broken off these trend lines, so I'm still expecting it to drop more, right? Still expecting it to drop more. So you can see my profit right here. This is the profit I made from the trade. So account I'm trading. This is the profit I made from it. So for this video, it's not, I don't share profits, but at this point right now, I'll just be sharing it to be motivating us that are beginners, those that are at their point of mastery, because there are those now that can analyze, right? But the main thing now is not keeping their mindset as I break even. Just imagine a trade I break even on. I break even on this particular trade, but see myself going out from this trade. Right now, I'm seeing something, and this price now is likely to drop. I'm seeing something that will make this price drop. And the reason why I hope that if you look closely, there was a slippage when market opened, but that was on the MT5. I was seeing it. It's not even actually here, but the slippage was distant. So this level at which price retested back is a slippage. So I'll just get to know the point where I can just enter right now. But I'm still anticipating to sell. If I didn't see the opportunity right here very well, I will then wait for the opportunity on GBP USD. Well, this pairs respects patterns. So maybe the pattern is about even creating now is what we call double bottom, because it's like a W pattern right now. Market respects something, so I can consider the trade valid, right? So right now, if this video is you'd like to watch, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, so I'll be dropping more amazing videos. So if you want me to be creating or to be dropping my trade setups over here, the kind of trades I take and how when I run out from the trade or when I went out from the trade, you can just actually drop it on the comment section. Let me know, so I will think about it and how to be creating and be dropping more amazing contents for you guys. So we'll grow together, we'll learn from it. The mistake we've been doing, we get to fix it together. You can see my Instagram on my bio. You can just reach out to me. If you want to trade with brokers, the broker I'm trading over there, you can see it right there. Just sign up. If you want to trade with ProfM, the ProfM I'm trading, there is one of my video I made a video about my payouts, right? My payout from the ProfM. You can just check it out. Use the link over in that video, over in the comment. I pinned my link on the video on the comment. So just go over to the comments, register with them. They are nice, they are very cool. It's 10 trades, they are cool. So you can just register with them. When you register with them and you get to want to understand their rules, you can actually chat me up on my Instagram account, right? I will respond to each and every one of you. So you can see that thing I said. This price is likely to create what we call a double bottom over here. So it's doing something, and the drop now, I think price has good possibility of reversing to the upside, because this particular pair, they respect what we call patterns. And over here is a doji candlestick, right? But this particular big drop, I don't trust it, because it's right from the higher time frames, but I'll just be watching closely. So that is this for now. Stay safe out there, guys.